One thing I don't want to miss is in Austin, there is a big swimming pool on the river. So it's a natural river and somehow they made it into a big swimming pool. Let's check it out. It's not free though.
We're going right.
Ready? It feels like a swimming pool, but it's not a swimming pool. If you see underneath, you will understand what I mean. Rock. Again, not a swimming pool, guys. Just looks like a swimming pool. Anyway, so next stop. Next stop is bats. Yup, you heard it right. There are million bats under one bridge. So apparently, under this bridge, there are 1 million bats and they will come out soon. So bats will be sleeping under the bridge and around sunset, they will start to come out. See, so many people are waiting to see the bats. And to get a good view, you can either go on the bridge from where you can see the Austin skyline as well, or you can go to one spot under the bridge, which is known as Bat Observation Center. Or the best thing is, you can rent a kayak or canoe and chill in the river like these guys. Anyway, bats started to come out. Why to walk when you can ride this? So in Austin, this is how everyone walks. So now we are going to Austin State Capitol building. Yeah, surprise, right? I also didn't know. I also always thought that capital of Texas would be Dallas or Houston. But it turns out to be Austin is the capital of Texas. So very close to my hotel. There's a cap. Oh, we are here. See? It's a huge place. Oh, we can go inside. It's huge from inside. And now we are at the top. In Austin downtown, everywhere electric scooters. See? On that side as well. Bird, spin, lift, lime. It just goes on. And finally, live music. Austin's official motto is live music capital of the world. And on 6th Street, you can find hundreds of venues showcasing a wide variety of free live music. I'm not actually a music guy, so I didn't spend much time over here. What I'm doing with my life? Just wasting. I should do something big. What can I do? While going back to hotel, I can buy a pizza and maybe watch Netflix.